Sometimes I receive questions about how to properly build the kit servo saver for the T4 and the X12. It may not be perfectly clear in the manual how to build it in an easy way. So I figured I wanted to show you how I do it. And it's actually really simple when you get the hang of it. You start with the little clip that has the ears on it. It goes on first. I do this with my fingers, but if you struggle to do it with your fingers, you can actually use a pair of pliers to make this process easier. But I just clip these on here. When you have the one with ears on clipped on already, then you start in the order of size. So the smallest one, then the medium one, and then the biggest one. So they all have to go on here. And I use 2 fingers and my thumb to clip it on there. I have to use a bit of force. And finally the big one. And that's it. We have all the clips, all the springs mounted on the servo saver. Finally we put the little holder which snaps on here. Click it in place. Then finally we have this bushing which goes in the front. A little plastic bushing. And eventually you will need to choose which spline you want to install. So we have F, which means Futaba. That's for Futaba and Savok servos, for example. So it's 25 tooth spline. KO is 23. KO and Sanwa actually. And high-tech is the middle one is 24. So you need to choose either one of these depending on the servo type that you have. And I think that's it.